All right, Rankin family. So we are looking at this gorgeous Artesian by Toll Brothers right here in Lakes at Cielo Ranch. Now, this one is currently not for sale. They are anticipating that it will be for sale in the foreseeable future. I'd say within the next 6 months to a year. Don't quote me on that. But the good thing is it will be sold with the furniture inside. So from the exterior, this is going to be that hill country elevation. You're noticing that stucco with that natural stone, as well as going into the lower exterior. And then not to mention going inside of our front door, we do have that privacy glass. So immediately, as soon as you walk in, the first thing you are going to notice, of course, is going to be the two-story foyer. And then right here, you're going to have two chandeliers with the exposed beams. Now that's the painted beam with the crown molding. And also you're going to notice a lot of accents inside of here. So to the right, you have your study. You have a two-story ceiling study, and you have the clear story windows on top, plenty of natural light. But the main thing is really the built-ins. You have a built-in, you call them built-ins, bookshelf, use it for decor, anything of that nature. But I really love the decor inside of here. Hardwood flooring throughout. You have a curved staircase immediately when you walk in. And then, of course, you do have a wine cellar. We'll get to that in a second, so you can take a look at that. Now, this is going to be our first bedroom. This is perfect for a guest suite. Look at this. So that's a queen size bed, two nightstands. Hardwood flooring extends inside of here. You have your own bathroom. Look at the space inside of here. Now, Toll Brothers is one of those builders that really has exceptional quality. Really, I'd say every builder that I bring to you folks, you really see quality. I try my best to make sure to show you the best of the best so you don't get steered in the wrong direction. Okay, so this is a walk-in shower, of course. Now, the one thing you will notice is that you do have the stainless steel shower head as well as the faucet. And I love this little lip that you have. You have tile flooring, quartz countertops, brushed stainless steel as well, or brushed nickel rather. I love that. Three windows, that tri-window effect. And then, of course, you can egress there, which I love. That door will be put on there so you don't have to worry about that. Now, this is our formal dining room. I love that you have these little bay windows. Really opens up the property. It makes it stand out exceptionally. And look how much space you have in here. Perfect for entertaining, regardless of the size of the family. You have crown molding on top as well. Plenty of LED lighting. I love it. And really, I love the flooring, right? That wood flooring really makes it stand out. I love that light, neutral colors that you have in here matching with the flooring. Exceptional. Now, this is our wine cellar. Look at this. Really love that. Of course, you got your wine fridge as well. You have the beautiful stacked cabinets again going into our kitchen, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let me make sure I show you the great room. So cathedral ceilings, you have the exposed beam again, beautiful. So you have the sliders as well, floor to ceiling fireplace with the tile exterior. Absolutely exceptional. And then, of course, like I said, once they do sell this off, furniture comes included. So this is one of those things you want to take advantage. Now, there is a wait list at the moment. So, of course, if you want this, when it becomes for sale, you got to make sure you get on that list so you don't miss out. So your kitchen, waterfall countertops, all the cabinets or the storage space in our island. I love that. Stack cabinets again, double KitchenAid oven, butler's pantry. Wow. And if you notice, the stack cabinets actually extend this way as well. But beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Walk-in pantry. It really doesn't get much better than that. Look at this space that you have for this oversized refrigerator, stainless steel KitchenAid. Nothing but the best of the best. Now, this is your breakfast room. Look at this. Beautiful Sputnik chandelier right above our table. Wow. Absolutely exceptional. Okay, let's make sure we don't miss anything inside of here. Now, within the Toll Brothers, the sales office is usually the garage. So just so you know, but this would be when you're walking in from the garage, you have your mudroom, of course, coat closet right there to the left. And then going straight ahead is going to be our primary bedroom. So beautiful. Moment of silence for this for you. Exceptional. So you have your accent wall, tray ceilings, double crown molding on top. And I love that you have the raised ceilings as well. Really gives that impression of a ton of space because quite frankly, it is a ton of space. The one thing I love is that you have this walkway straight ahead and it kind of separates the two in my opinion. Of course, there's going to be a door right there. Once they sell it off, they're going to have that door. If you notice, they took them off the hinges because it's a model home. Having to open and close it just might not be the most practical for years on end. Okay, so going into our ensuite, his and hers oven. Straight ahead, we have our picture window, tray ceilings on top with recessed lighting, our oversized soaking freestanding tub as well. Look at this. You even have this beautiful hexagon tile accent wall as well. Love it. And then of course, straight ahead, there's gonna be our walk-in shower. Now right above, you have the recessed lighting again, as well as a waterfall shower head, tile shower surround throughout. Wow. Now, across the way, there is another closet. So you're gonna have full his and hers closet. I know I got somebody said, hey, you say full on often. So if I do, my apologies in advance. Of course, your toilet right there, but look at this. Look at that, tall ceilings inside of our first walk-in closet. Plenty of storage shelving all the way to the top. You're gonna have to get you a little ladder. Unless you're 9'3", then you don't need that. But look at that, tile flooring throughout. So let's go ahead and show you, of course, the other closet. So this is gonna be the other closet. This is his closet right here, but you know, fellas, you got plenty of space, so you don't have to worry about it unless you have more clothes than you know your significant other, in which case you might need the other one. Okay, so if you know the wood flooring, it extends again, and then of course, look at our utility room. Plenty of room in here. Look at that space. Quartz countertops, white cabinetry, cabinet crowns on top with our sink right here as well. Whirlpool, washer and dryer. Love that. Counter space, which you obviously need that. Go ahead and fold the clothes like I always mention. But look at that. So much storage space. Loving it. Okay, and straight off to the center across the way is going to be our powder room. Powder bath, powder room. I got somebody that also said that too. Hey, it's called powder room, not powder bath. Okay. And then obviously one more look of the great room. Look at this. Make sure we don't miss any detail for you. Okay, now that was the entire first level. The benefit is that you have 2 rooms downstairs, including your main room, your primary. And then let's get you upstairs so you can see that. Okay, so before we see up there, let me make sure I show you the front where we come in from. The foyer is like what most folks call it. Okay, and then I'll show you the great room from the second story, and then we'll go ahead and tackle this for you. Okay, all right, the first room we're going to is going to be our game room. Look at this. So obviously you have a foosball table, you have some couches, some nice hanging chairs as well, plenty of space. So if you want to just use this as the common area, you can certainly do so. Let me turn on the brightness for you if I can see. Okay, hopefully that helps out a little bit. I love that it connects to our media room as well. So let's go ahead and get you in here. Wow, look at the depth of this. So you have your built-in wet bar as well. This carpet, I have shoes on right now and I can feel how cozy this carpet is. Look at this. And like I said, keep in mind, this is the furniture that comes with this. So you're starting to see how they're decorating it, or, at least have it decked out. So I love that. But of course you have your built-ins, you have your sink as well. So I love that they added the sink inside of the utility room as well as the media room. So you never know, you got some popcorn, some Orville Redenbachers, you need to wash your hands and you don't have to walk too far. Okay, next bedroom, recess lighting again, queen size bed, 2 nightstands. You have a floating nightstand, which I absolutely love. You have a desk, of course, so plenty of space. Now, the good thing is you're so close to the water right here. It's extremely quiet out here, peaceful, tranquil, you name it, that's out here. So they're pretty much almost sold out. So the folks that are able to get into this community and are excited about getting into this community, you know, you're probably going to be jealous once it's all said and done. So you might want to take advantage while you can, if, of course, you are interested in it still. Okay, shared bathrooms, recess lighting right above our shower tub combo. You have a shower niche to the left, chrome shower head and faucet. Right here, we have our quartz countertops, white cabinetry, white mirror frame, stainless steel lighting fixture right above our mirror as well. So I love that you have this bedroom that's pretty much, it's secluded to themselves. It's right there next to the media room as well as the game room. And then of course, our next bedroom. So first thing you're already noticing, you have a built-in desk. Built-ins as far as the cabinets are concerned, 2 windows on both sides, and extremely roomy. And this is the model home, so you are getting the best of the best, decked out to the nines. Not only even just the furniture, but more importantly, the built-ins, the materials they utilize, such as the flooring, such as the countertops, such as the built-ins on the first level and the second level. So you have a full bathroom attached to this one, their own bathroom, quartz countertops again, shower tub combo. Look at the depth of the tub, really almost like a soaking tub. And then this one's gonna have your walk-in closet as well. Now you do have carpet inside of the rooms. I know I get some folks that really prefer no carpet. You know, sometimes you go into some of the homes and they eliminate the carpet completely. The benefit is that's completely cosmetic. You can opt to remove that once you obviously move in or down the road. But look at that, plenty of space. Even like I said, going up your curved staircase, you do have this accent wall that continues to your formal dining room as well. Wow, if you can imagine folks coming in, your family, having a good old time. All right, and one more look of the great room. Okay, now I love that we have the oversized sliders, but if you don't want to access that or open that up every day, just go ahead and use this quick access door to your backyard. And this is what you're working with. Now, you have the 2-story covered backyard patio, LED ceiling fan again, and just look how peaceful this is. Wow, plenty of space for your outdoor grill. If you want to opt for that down the road, look at this. Plenty of room, plenty of space. And then look at this. Of course, down the road, you're going to probably fence it fully in. Right now, look at the nature, look at the trees. The benefit is that you will have no rear neighbors. Love that. And then, of course, if you ever wanted to add that privacy fence as well, you can do so. But the good thing is, look how far the neighbors are to the side on the left hand side. But of course, right here, you just add that privacy fence, you're good to go. You ain't got to worry about it. But other than that, family, that was the beautiful Toll Brothers. All right, Rankin family, that was the beautiful Toll Brothers right here near Dallas. Let me know in the comments what you folks thought about it. Of course, if you want more information, link in the description below, and I'll see you folks on the next property tour.